Hello, dear students. Last time I gave you the outline of the story, The Making of a Scientist, which is chapter number 6 of your supplementary reader. I hope you have read the lesson, and today I'm going to discuss with you certain points regarding the main character of the story, Richard Ebright. It's not a story actually, it's just about Richard Ebright, that how he became a scientist. So, Richard Ebright was a brilliant scientist and a versatile personality. So, how he is a brilliant scientist and a versatile personality, this you can get from the narrative itself. Now, he started showing his brilliance in the field of science right from his childhood days. Beginning in kindergarten, he collected butterflies with the same determination as he did other activities like collecting rocks, fossils, and coins, and sometimes gazing stars. So he was an amateur astronomer as well. Then his enthusiasm for collecting butterflies was so strong that by the time he was in grade 2, he had collected all the 25 species of butterflies found around his hometown. This you can see in the textbook. That is, there is a table given where the names of the species of the butterflies are there, so that you can see. Very importantly, here you can see that how the book the Travels of Monarch X, which was given to Richard Ebright by his mother, proved to be the major turning point in his life. So, how it proved to be the major turning point in his life? That it opened the doors of science for him. Already he had a scientific curiosity, but the book, The Travels of Monarch X, it just worked as a spark for him. So, thereafter, what happened? He undertook the careful study and experimentation on the life of butterflies and won first prize in many prestigious science fairs. So, the names of those science fairs are given over there in the narrative that you can see. Thereafter, the names of the institutions where he went to work as a researcher, everything is given over there. But when you write the character sketch, everything is not required to be included. Only the main things regarding the character are required to be given. Okay. Next, what happens that through his experimentations, biology's all-time puzzles was eventually solved. And you can see in the text that what was the all-time puzzle, that is biology's all-time puzzle, that you can see in the text itself. So what was the solution that his experimentations regarding butterflies led to? That DNA is a blueprint of life was the solution that he got. So that was a major breakthrough that his experimentations gave. Other than this, Richard Ebright never confined himself in the field of science only. How? That he was a champion debater, an excellent orator, a good canoeist, an expert photographer because he clicked many photographs when he put up his presentations in the exhibitions, and an all-round outdoors person. He was a straight A student throughout his academic life and he was very competitive in nature. But his competitiveness was with a difference. That is, his competitiveness was always in the right sense. That is, to do his job with the right intention and in the best possible way. And that's why you will see that Richard is the epitome of an ideal scientist, having all the essential qualities like a first rate mind, scientific curiosity, and the determination to win for the right reasons. That is, you should have the will to win, but the will should have the mix of the right intention. Only then you can become a good personality. Only then you can become, best in whatever you do. So this was regarding Richard Ebright. I gave you these maximum points that you can include to write his character sketch If you develop these points, you can write a full-fledged answer on character sketch. Let's see the themes. The first is curiosity, that Richard Ebright has got this scientific curiosity right from the beginning. Then he has got the determination, that is the determination to do something grand in the field of science. His initial love was to study regarding the butterflies, but later on, as the things progressed, he was determined to do something grand in the field of science. His focus, that is, he was literally very focused in whatever he was doing. That is, he participated in one exhibition. After the exhibition, he improved upon his mistakes and the breakthroughs that he gave in the field of science through his experimentation. Versatility, that is, he was doing other things also, like the words or the things which I discussed with you a while ago. That is, he was an excellent orator, he was a debater, canoeist, he was an outdoor personality. That is, he never kept himself confined in the field of science. You must do other things also in order to explore the other side of your personality. Thirst for knowledge, yes, he had this thirst for knowledge, this inquisitiveness. If you don't have this thirst, then obviously you won't be able to, know things. Fine. Then, will to win for the right reasons. You should have the will to win, but that should have the right intentions. You should not think in this way, like you are in a competition. You should not think that your opponents, something happens to them, that they won't be able to stand in front of you. No, your job is to do your task in the best possible way, and the results will obviously follow. So these are the themes of the lesson, The Making of the Scientist. I hope up to this much is clear to you. Next time I'm going to discuss the questions with you. Okay? Thank you.